Here we have AP calculus AB problem. Okay, let's go to the question. What is the slope of the secant line that intersects the graph of h of x equals to square root of 15 negative 2x at x equals to 3 and x equals to 7? Okay, here we have a function. So the graph of the function is intersected by a secant line at x equals to 3 and x equals to 7. We have to find the slope of the secant line. Okay, now let me sketch a rough graph of the given function. Let me do it something like this. Okay, and also the question says the secant line intersects the graph of the function at x equals to 3 and x equals to 7. So let's say at this point the value of x is 3 and at this point x equals to 7. Okay, now our aim is to get the slope of this secant line. Let me write over here. This is secant line. We have to find the slope of this secant line. Okay, to get to find the slope of this secant line, I need the point over here. Point over here. Point means like x coordinate and y coordinate. Here x coordinate is 7. Okay, at these 2 points I know the x coordinates 3 and 7, but I do not know the y coordinate. If I know the y coordinate, I can use the formula that is m equals to y2 negative y1 over x2 negative x1. So to get the slope of the secant line. So to get the slope of the secant line, I need the y coordinate of these 2 points. So how do you have to get the y coordinates of these 2 points? For that, let's consider the given function. So in the given function, we have h of x on the left side. So whenever a function is defined by h of x or g of x or something like that, so the stuff what we have on the left side can be replaced by y. Actually, this h of x represents y. So we can rewrite this function as y equals to square root of 15 negative 2x. Okay, now when x equals to 3, let's find the value of y. So for that, we have to plug in this 3 for x over here. When I do so, I'm getting square root of 15 negative 2 times 3. Then I'm getting y equals to square root of 15 negative 2 times 3 is 6. Then I'm getting y equals to 9. Then y equals to 3. Okay, when x equals to 3, I'm getting y is also 3. So 3 comma 3 is the point. That is 3 comma 3. We have this point. Okay, now to get the point over here, I have to plug in the x coordinate 7 into this equation. Let me do it. So y equals to square root of 15 negative 2 times 7. Then I'm getting y equals to square root of 15 negative 14. Then y equals to square root of 1. Then square root of 1 is just 1. I got the next point, that is 7 comma 1. Let me write over here. Okay, now I know the 2 points on the secant line. Okay, now I can use a formula, that is when I know the 2 points of the line, there is a formula to get the slope, that is m equals to y2 negative y1 over x2 negative x1. Okay, I can assume the first point 3 comma 3 as x1 y1, the second point 7 comma 1 as x2 comma y2. Okay, now what I have to do is to get the slope of the secant line, I have to plug in the values into this formula. So the value of y2 is just 1 negative, the value of negative, and the value of y1 is just 3, 1 negative 3 divided by, and the value of x2 is 7 and negative, and the value of x1 is 3. Let me plug in. So then we get m equals to 1 negative 3 is negative 2 and 7 negative 3 is just 4. 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 4 2 times. I'm getting m equals to negative 1 over 2. Okay, I got the slope of the secant line. The slope of the secant line is negative 1 over 2.